So I have reached to my room. I am really tired. Let's just take a quick room tour. That's the pool over there, and that's my cute cottage. Here is the sitting area, and look at the room. I am sucker of the net beds, and look at this beautiful washroom now. It is open on top and it is so green and white, very nice. That's the view, so refreshing. We have just changed, rested a little bit, and now I'm ready to come to the cafe to have some lunch. We are heading to Palolem Beach. It's like nearby Teliuki House, South Goa. Beach is very silent, nice, sober. There are not much tourists over here, but there are a lot of shacks and eating joints out there. This is my day 2, ready to head out. I had my breakfast. Was amazing, and now I'm going to Palolem Beach. So I am here at Palolem Beach, and I can definitely see बहुत clean है, really बहुत ही काम है. यहाँ पे 4 trips हैं for the butterfly, the honeymoon beach, sharing या personal के अलग expenses हैं. So yeah, I'm negotiating with them and let you know. But it's so beautiful. Basically जो ये boat से honeymoon beach और butterfly beach लेके जाते हैं. If you are like 2 people or 3 people, if you want to book a private boat, so they take around 6-7 thousand. And अगर आपको शेयरिंग बेसिस पे जाना, जिसमें दे विल आपको थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ेगा जब तक और लोग नहीं है, तो फिर दे आस्क फॉर 2500. फाइनली नेगोशिएशन के बाद 1500 में हम दोनों लोगों को कर दिया. इट्स अ शेयरिंग बोट. That's the turtle rock. Do you think this look like a turtle? Let me know in comments. And here we are at the honeymoon beach. We'll stop here for a while. So in this honeymoon beach हमको 15-20 minutes को स्टॉपेज किया है to stay, to photographs, और थोड़ा सा हम बीच फीलिंग को बहुत कम ले रहे थे. It's very nice. Around half an hour to come here. So this is the butterfly beach, and that because of that shape it is called butterfly beach. So we are trying to find dolphin here, and there is one. Comment me and let me know कि दिखी या नहीं. So we are back at the Palolem beach. There is a way to go by Activa if you have Activa or car as well. So if you rent it, you can go by land also. I think I'm going to enjoy here a bit, and then we'll go to some club. Maybe we'll find something for it. Okay guys, so अभी I have spent like 2-3 hours I think on this beach. पूरा sunset हो चुका है. I had kayaking, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. अब यहाँ पे music and all, so it's very nice right now. Morning guys, so this is my day 3 in Goa, and I am ready. I'm going to the pool, and I'll go. Yesterday night we just stayed on the beach, and then later on just had dinner and relaxed. Palolem Beach for the final shopping, and then I'll go to the Kolva beach today. This Palolem beach market was very good. Lot of shops were there. You can find a lot of dresses, beach dresses, bikini wears, anything that you want, hats, etc., goggles. bags at decent prices. You have to negotiate and you can get it good deals. Souvenirs to take back home, and don't miss this junk jewelry here. I have reached the Colva beach now. It took me around 1 hour, little bit more than that from Activa. ज़्यादा तो गए यहाँ पे comparative to the Palolem beach. Beach ज़्यादा beautiful है, but obviously because crowd ज़्यादा है, गंदगी थोड़ी ज़्यादा है. It's a very big beach and yeah, a lot of water sports are going on here. Here at the Betel Batin beach, मैं कोलवा बीच से आ गई हूँ 10 minutes from that and it is much better. बहुत comparatively कम लोग हैं, but यहाँ पे बहुत सारे beach shacks हैं, very nicely decorated. I've heard कि यहाँ पे रात में sparkling water वाला effect like you have in Andaman. So let's see. This is my day 4 in Goa and I have to check out this resort, this beautiful resort, and I'll go to North Goa for 2 days. This is the sitting chill out area in this resort and look how cute, how beautiful it is. That's just near to the pool. We booked a taxi through the resort only and I'll tell you how's the North Goa now. We reached here in North Goa and I'm ready and going to the Baga beach and see. That's the view. This market is much more bigger and happening than the South Goa markets. बहुत ज़्यादा crowd है यहाँ पे और बहुत ज़्यादा सामान available है, बहुत ज़्यादा shops हैं. It's very much bigger. Beach shacks भी बहुत beautifully decorated हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा options हैं खाने के भी. Now I'm here at the Club Cabana. This is one of the most happening and most beautiful popular club in Goa. It's beautifully set up. Pool view बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा है. It is very happening and until 4 people are here and enjoying and dancing. My day 5. I'm here at this Aquarium beach at Aquarium 4. This is by far the best beach in North Goa. It is very beautiful and it has less crowd and very clean as well. And there are a lot of street food options on the entrance of this beach. And now I am here at the Curly's beach. I spent a lot of time at this Aquarium beach. It's very famous, so yeah, let's see. So I spent some time at the Curly's and had some food. If you want to see amazing sunset and some amazing time, you can definitely come here. It's not the normal Anjuna beach, so ये बहुत clean है, बहुत लोग नहीं है यहाँ पे ज़्यादा. It's very nice. Talking about North Goa and South Goa, that it completely depends what kind of a person you are. अगर आपको, if you want like very sweet, serene time, if you like peaceful things, definitely go to South Goa. वहाँ पे you can get shopping, very nice clean beaches, बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं होगी और crowd अच्छा है. और से Palolem beach was nice, but वहाँ पे boats वगैरह बहुत होती हैं, तो उतना अच्छा view नहीं मिलता. But it is very nice. You can definitely go to Betel Batin, which I will definitely recommend for good beach shack in evening and nice food and enjoying there. But अगर आपको night life पसंद है, so South Goa is not for you because South Goa में कोई night life नहीं है. वहाँ पे you can sit at the beach till 1-2, बहुत safe है. But वहाँ पे night life नहीं. एटलीस्ट फ़िलहाल आफ्टर कोविड वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं. सिर्फ एक सैटरडे नाइट पे ओपन होता है एक बार. दैट्स दी ओनली बार. दैट्स ऑल्सो ऑन सैटरडे इटसेल्फ. बाकी नहीं है. नॉर्थ गोवा ऑन दी अदर साइड इज़ वेरी हैपनिंग. ऑब्वियसली बीचेस, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत लोग आते हैं तो क्राउडेड है और गंदे हैं. सिंक्वेरियम बीच आई वुड डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट, बहुत ना क्लीन है कंपैरेटिवली, जेंडरी अच्छी है, लोग अच्छे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड नहीं होता और साफ़ है। बागा बीच पे टीटोज लेन, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी हैपनिंग। रात में तो 10 o'clock के बाद 3-4 AM तक इट इज़ ओपन, यू कैन गो टू एनी थिंग देयर। Yeah, that's it. I have to just go back to hotel, pick up the luggage, and then I'll head to the airport. Say bye to Goa and to this vlog. Do like, comment and subscribe if you like this vlog, and share it with your friends. Tell me what you like the most, and if you have been there, if there is anything that I have skipped, do tell me. And if you come here after watching my vlog, do let me know what is the best that you loved. Bye, and wait for the next vlog.